Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. I'm gonna do a grocery haul. Haven't done one of those in quite a while, so I am gonna turn the camera around and show you everything we got. I did not buy any meat, so in case you're wondering like what we're gonna eat, I have 3 meals planned. They're all using ground beef, which I have in my freezer. So I bought some things that we needed for those meals. We have a lot of stuff already here, and then just some fill-in things and snacks for the week. Yeah!
Okay, let's get to it.
Okay, y'all, I've got Courtney here. She's helping us out. Okay, Kiki. Oh, Adrian's here too. He wanted to stop and say hi. Okay, she's gonna help us out.
Starting, we got Chester's hot fries.
Adrian loves those.
Yeah. Nacho cheese Doritos for a recipe planned. Cookie crisp, marshmallow fruity pebbles, and cinnamon toast crunch. We have 3 avocados, 2 tomatoes, a purple onion, this meat lover's breakfast bowl for myself. These are by far the best granola bars ever. The Nature Valley almond granola bars. They're so good. Me and my friends have been thinking this bottom thing was white chocolate, but it's also some kind of almond butter. I don't know, but it's so good. Then we got some Texas toast, Jimmy Dean maple griddle cake, sausage, egg and cheese sausage. Peyton and Adrian like these. I do not. Then we have, this is green onions. Green onions. I was about to get it right. Romaine hearts, mozzarella cheese, Colby Jack cheese. We have sharp cheddar cheese, Colby Jack and Monterey Jack, and medium cheddar cheese because Mom likes getting blocks so she can shred.
Yeah, I got me a cool little shredder.
Yeah. We have shredded hash browns. Mom's probably going to make some breakfast with it.
No, actually that's for one of my recipes for this week.
Okay. We got 2 of the crescent rolls for another recipe. And then energy drinks are life.
The girls get 2 a week, so.
So these 2 are for Peyton, the sour watermelon Moorhead Ghost and the blue raspberry Sour Patch Kid Ghost. And then I have a original prime because this is really good, and the Alani cherry twist. This is also Mom's favorite.
Yeah, I drink.
If she drinks one, she loves the cherry twist Alani. They're really good. We have 2 blocks of cream cheese. We always have cream cheese in the house. Like, cream cheese is everywhere because I make so many desserts with it. We have 2 bags of Epsom salt because Dad lives off of Epsom salt. Cotton balls, Dr. Teal's foaming bath with more Epsom salt. 7 insect killers.
Yeah, this is for the garden because we got some little bugs on our tomato plant. Not tomatoes, potatoes. My husband told me to get that. 2 of these. We got yellow mustard, tomato salsa. These Mom loves. I recommend getting them. They're the El Pato hot tomato sauce. They also have a not hot one. They're so good. Like if you're just trying to season up some meat for something.
They're so good in any type of meat, especially chicken.
Yes.
They got Herdez medium salsa, a gallon of milk, and I got these light pineapple cans of pineapple juice because I'm trying to get more healthier, and these are only 40 calories per can. So, this is not.
Nope, that's all. Yeah. That's.
And then I got from Dollar General this.
Oh yeah, she wants to say this is pretty good. I tasted it too.
Aguas Frescas strawberry stuff. Oh. I got stacks, and then I got contact solution and glue to make slime. And Dad needed more contact solution.
Yep. So that wraps up today's grocery haul.
Mom hasn't done more in 85 months.
Thank y'all for watching.
Peace out.